The sign of four. Question number 1. The reception of six pearls help the story to move forward by providing some connection with the other happenings illustrate. See, remember, in this chapter, you have to write 4 lines in all the answers, correct? First one is the story, the sign of four is a story of Mary Mostyn, the major character in the story. She is a major character in the story. Every year, she receives a pearl from an unknown person. She has received 6 pearls. When she received her 6th pearl, with this pearl, she receives a letter that tells her to meet. Instead of going to meet that person, she approaches Detective Sherlock Holmes. Detective Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson agreed to go with her and solve the case. These are the lines that you have to write in all the sentence, all the answers. The reception of 6 pearls gives a breakthrough to the story. The story is the sign of four. The major character is Mostyn and Miss Mostyn, and Dr. Sherlock Holmes and Dr. Watson help to agree to solve this case. They go with her. Write the character sketch of Sherlock Holmes as a professional detective. Sherlock Holmes is the major character in the story. He is a professional detective. In the novel Sign of Four, Mary Mostyn gives her case to Sherlock Holmes to solve. Sherlock Holmes has business tone point number 1. Second, he has extraordinary concentration in dealing with his clients. Third, he is very particular in dealing with the case. Fourth, he derives some conclusions from handwritings. He is very kind and brilliant. Compare the thought process of Holmes and Dr. Watson in handling the case. Thought process. Holmes is of the opinion that judgment should not be biased by personal qualities. If we only see at the personal qualities, then we cannot make correct judgment. Holmes is of the opinion that judgment should not be biased by personal qualities. He observes the handwriting in the note and draws conclusion that writer is a man of self-esteem and character. For Holmes, there is no mystery in the case. To Watson, handwriting seems legible and regular. Sherlock Holmes deduced fact from the back files of the Times, justified by providing details. Sherlock Holmes found after consulting the back files of the Times that Major Sholto died upon on 28th of April 1882. Times means newspaper. Okay, he deduced the fact that this Sholto, Major Sholto, is Miss Mostyn's dad. He died on 28th April. Within a week of his death, Mary Mostyn received valuable presents repeatedly. In a letter with the last pearl, she is described as a wronged woman. Last letter said that you are wrong. This means something wrong has happened to her. Sherlock Holmes deduced that it was about her father. Sherlock Holmes said that you were wrong, something wrong was done. That is, your father was killed. Sholto's hair know nothing. Hair here, the spelling mistake, it's a spelling mistake. It's H-E-I-R, hair, child. Sholto's child knows something about the mystery about Miss Mary Mostyn's father's disappearance. Narrate the case of Miss Mostyn in your own words. This is important question. See again. Mary Mostyn receives a precious pearl every year since 1882. In the 6th year, with a pearl, there was a letter which reads, "You are a wronged woman and shall have justice." Something wrong has been done with you and you shall have justice. Her father, Major Mostyn, who was an officer in an Indian regiment, he reached London but disappeared before meeting his daughter. Mostyn's dad was in India, and then he was an officer in Indian regiment. And when he went back to London, he called his daughter to meet in a hotel. But before the daughter could come and meet her father, this father disappeared. His friend Sholto, his friend Major Mostyn's friend Sholto, and Major Mostyn had looted a treasure in India, but Sholto cheated Mostyn. Sholto told this to his sons. They wanted to compensate, so they arranged meeting with Miss Mostyn by writing the letter.